Welcome, everyone. Yep, big box. Big box to open up. This box comes from Johnny Arnett in North Carolina. Round two, huh, Johnny? Some of the stuff that's in this box has been on the journey twice. It got turned back in Spokane, which is like 50 miles from here, so the shipping company decided to ship it all the way back to North Carolina because some of the stuff in it was damaged or something. So instead of just bringing it the rest of the 50 miles to here, they shipped it all the way back over 2,000 miles back to Johnny. So Johnny packed her up again, and we'll try it again. Doesn't seem to be anything, nothing's leaking, so nothing seems to be damaged inside. So welcome to all the new subscribers. And thanks, everybody, for coming along. There's quite a bit of stuff in this box that weighs 37 pounds. It's, Johnny, I don't know, buddy. I love you, man, and I really hope you're feeling better. I hope you get to feeling better fast, buddy. Yeah. Rock on, brother. All right. Let's open it up. Let's open it up with the special knife, Johnny. Huh? Yeah, buddy. The canoe. Absolutely. Case Canoe. Got to be careful when you open these boxes. You never know. You never know what's on top. You never know what's where. Let's see. Extra packing. Got to be careful. Packing goes there. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, buddy. Woo. Let's read the note. Hello, brother. Hope you and the family are well. Better late than never. They say. I guess it's my turn. This box started before Christmas and got within 50 miles of your house, then got damaged. It arrived back home on January 9th. Yeah, it's been on, some of the things that are in this box, like I said, have been on a journey. So, 2 journeys. I repacked it and shipped it back out. Enclosed is a few things for me and the family for the holidays. Please forgive the delay. I appreciate everything you do. Inside something for Mama Taz and Charlie and Abby. Just some snacks. Some snacks. Johnny said snacks. I have a feeling there's something in this, so I'm prepared. I'm prepared, Johnny. For some of this stuff. I don't know what the rest of it is. I love you, brother. Pals. Johnny Arnett. John Arnett's Ways. Go check out his channel. It's a great channel. Great channel. Johnny puts out lots of stuff. Knife building, axe building. Look at this. Let's start with this right here. Huh? Oh, yeah. Kerf cutter. Axe kerf cutter. Johnny. Oh, these things are sick. Oh, man. That's going to get put to use. Portland saw. Double-edged saw. Oh, yeah, for curve cutting. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. It's going to hang right there. It's going to hang right there. For sure. Oh, yeah, perfect. Just like that. All right. Let's get some of this packing out of the way. Now, Johnny sent this in a something got holes poked in it or something. But this hat, not many like this one. Not very many at all. Signed by Max the Mac Man. Oh yeah. It's got some stains on it, but it's broke in, right? Titan. Yes. Oh, Johnny, that thing is sick. Let's see what we got here. Mr. B's. They're the bee's knees, it says. Salty original potato chips. Survived the trip. Pork rinds, seasoned eatings, apple, cinnamon. Big taste. Southern recipe, small batch. Oh yeah. More snacks. One of these is West Virginia. These are made in West Virginia. Mr. B's chips in West Virginia. Oh yeah, we got some packing. Got some packing going on. More Fireballs. Fireball packing. I love it. Okay. What do we have here? Oh yeah. Triple ginger. More snacks. Triple ginger. Oh yeah. Brownie crisp cookies. Deweys. That's so funny. My cousin's last name is Dewey from Oregon. Oh yeah. Snack City. Oops. Now I drop them. They'll survive though. They made it from North Carolina. Oh! Another new roll of packing tape. Oh yeah, caution tape. I love it. I've been missing that stuff. Oh, Johnny. Some 45 auto shell casings off Johnny's dad's reloading bench. Johnny puts these in the ends of his axes after he halves them. Oh, Johnny, that's a special place there. Fireballs. What's this? Oh, okay. We got some stuff in here now. Oh yeah. Johnny's been working on some stuff. And we're going to test it out. One of these days when I can get out and cut, I'm going to test these. This one is steel. This one is solid steel. Okay? This is just like I said, this is a test. Solid steel, a recovery wedge. For if you get your bar pinched, or somebody else gets their bar pinched, right? Look at how thin that is. See how thin that is? You can get that started in just about any kerf, I'm thinking. Like I said, next time I get out to cut, I'm going to try them. We've got, oh, that one's lighter. So, solid steel. This is going to take a minute. And this one is his latest one. This is aluminum. Again, see how thin it is? This is aluminum. Oh, Johnny, I love that. There it is. Prototype. These are all prototypes now to try out. Johnny, I love it. I love it. What do we have? That needs to stay there. Let's see. What's this? Okay, now this one. And I know that they already sell aluminum ones. I know they do. Here's another one. This is the one I want. This is the one I really want to try. This one, I don't know what kind of plastic this is. It's polyurethane. I'm not sure what it is. This one is thinner. Here. This one is just a tiny bit narrower. Still very, very thin at the point. and we're gonna test this out to see how that withstands getting hit with a hammer or a wedge banger. All prototypes, all just experimental. Okay? What's in this box? Johnny, boxes in boxes. I love it. Well, that's some tough tape. Oh, man. Look at this. More pork rinds. Pork skins. Hot. Suncrest Farms. Oh, yeah. Johnny, you must have kept one of them for yourself, buddy. Buy one, get one free. What is this? Oh, my. Okay. This has got to be for Mama Taz. Yep, Mama Taz. Mama Taz. Look at this big. Look at this thing. Reese's. There's 2 Reese's cups in this. 2 8-ounce Reese's cups. Peanut butter cups. Look at that. They're giant. They're 3 inches across, easy. One of them. Oh, man, Johnny, that's awesome. What do we have here? Oh. Here we go. Texas Pete. Hot sauce. Texas Pete. Johnny, you've got everything in this box, buddy. I love it. Texas Pete. Original hot sauce. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Oh. Let's put that there. Oh, look at these little channel locks. Johnny, those are super handy, buddy. Right there. Right there. Ready to rock. Okay, let's see what's in this. Like I said, you got to be careful when you open it and stuff like this. You never know what's in there. You don't want it to fall on the floor because you don't know if it's breakable, right? What is this? That's fire starter. Oh. What is this? This one's tough to get into, Johnny. Oh, no way. No way. Look at that. Wow, Johnny Arnett. Look at that. McCulloch 2-cycle oil. Premium. Wow, it's even got the mixing instructions on there right there. See that? And it goes to 40 to 1. Wow. You don't see that every day, folks. That's awesome, Johnny. Wow. Okay, here we go. Let's just get right in this. Those wedges are killer, Johnny. Look at this. Johnny, this took some time to pack this up, brother. Wow. Uh-oh. Johnny, it's a good thing you packed that the way you did. What's in this? Johnny, it came apart, buddy. It broke. It broke. But it stayed contained in this. What's in this is a bottle of Whirly Pop for Charlie. Yep, this is the bottle of Whirly Pop. I'm going to set that aside. I'm not going to open it up because it's going to make a mess. Oh my gosh, Johnny, that's awesome, buddy. What do we got here? Johnny was taking no chances. No chances at all of anything coming open on this deal. Double tape, triple tape. This is going to take a minute. I'll have to edit through this. Oh, I know what's in here. Oh, I've been needing another jug of these, Johnny. Yes! Wickles. Wickles. Look at it, even taped the container shut. Oh, Johnny, this one's got a great big pepper in it. Look at that big pepper. Wickles. Wicked pickle chips. These are delicious. If you ever see these, get them. They're delicious. You'll love them if you like a little bit spicy stuff. Oh, there's the other bag. Suncrest pork skin, salt and vinegar. Ooh, that sounds yummy. Johnny Arnett, this is insane. Okay, now this. I'm getting this big box out of the way. I think we're there, except for the packing of the fireballs. Uh-oh. Did it again, Johnny. Did it again. This one came apart too, buddy. I don't even care. I'm getting in this one. I am getting in this one. It's going to make a mess, but I don't even care. Because I know there's one in here that's not blown up. There's got to be. I'm doing it. Johnny, they froze. They froze, Johnny. They froze. It's a 12-pack of Cheerwine. Drink Cheerwine. Soda. Soda pop. And I'm doing it. I'm prepared. This is the one I was prepared for. Cup of ice. Great way to end this one, right? Great way to end it. I haven't had a Cheerwine in months. And I miss it. Here's to you, Johnny. I love you, brother. Thank you so much. This is what happened to the cans, buddy. See that big bubble on the bottom? That's what happened to the cans. Not all of them. Not all of them did that, but they froze. They froze, brother. There's still ice on that. See that ice? That's ice. See that? Wiped it right off. That's ice. It stayed too cold, Johnny. Cheers, brother. And cheers to all of you. And I hope this year is starting out great for everybody. I truly appreciate everybody that's coming in here and hanging out, supporting this channel, and supporting everybody else around the community. Don't forget to go see John Arnett's Ways. Go check him out. Old soul right there. All right, everybody. I love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned.